Hi dear all students. In previous video of fraction lesson, we already started our practice set 9 and we completed our question number 1, that is a mixed number is given and we converted it into improper fractions. How we converted, I hope you understand in a well manner, students. The denominator downside we wrote as it is, then we do product of this full number, complete number and this denominator, multiplication of this and addition of upside digit, and then we done a regular calculation and wrote answer in the box, which is in the form of numerator upon denominator. Now in today's video, students, let's ready everybody for question number 2 from textbook, that is set 9 question number 2. See student, here question number 2, convert into mixed numbers. Convert into mixed numbers. Now fractions are given to us, 5 fractions, that is in the form of numerator upon denominator, and we have to convert the answer into mixed number, that is QR upon D form. So I will take one by one question from textbook and I will solve for you, and some examples I will say to do to complete as our today's homework also. Hope so all are ready for this question. Question number 1. First question is here, student. 3030 divided by 7. This you can read like this way also, student. 30 upon 7, that is in the form of numerator upon denominator. Now see how to solve the example. See dear all students, 30 upon 7 means 30 divided by 7. Our regular way it's called division, and we do near to there only. This is not rough part, student, this is your step. So right side of the problem, mark a division sign like this way. Now 30 upside number in, downside number out, or we may say upside number in, downside number out, upside number divided by downside number. Now here you have to start to divide with 7. Hope so all are very excellent in division, student. You have to write 7's table. This is your rough work, student. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. We'll wait here because 30 and 35, so greater number come here. Stop that place, no need to write table ahead. Now is 30 in this table is there? Is 30 number is there? No. Then less than 30, greater than 30, which number is there? Yes, 35. So greater than 30, first you search at which place, first you find out, go one step ahead, up. So I circle here 28. So 28 is less than 30, and which position that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we wrote here, your answer should be on head of 0 here because 2 digit. 7 fours are 7 fours are 7 fours are 28. Do here subtraction. 30 minus 28. Answer will be 2, or you can say 0 minus 8 not. Those have problem to solve such calculations here. Without hesitation, student, to take out your fear from your mind of maths, please follow my instruction. Do rough work. Those not able to do this subtraction directly, go on rough page and do that subtraction there. You can do here like this way, and then you will get the answer. Or you directly do 30 minus 28, that is 2. So it is here questioned. This is your remainder and this is your divisor. So we'll get here from this calculation QRD and right answer in that form. Q. What is Q? 4. R. What is R? 2. Center. This line should be in front of this number. D. 7. D should be this divisor, not dividend. Divisor. Divisor. The denominator should be down. Which denominator in question? That should be same here. See, cross check your answer maybe like this way. Which denominator is there? That should be here in your answer. If you solve this again, you will get the answer back again. So this is your last answer. For 2 marks will come in exam. Understand? Second one, will you do homework? Simple one. So single digits. So I will give it is as for homework. As well as fourth one you do for homework. 11 upon 8. Simple one I am giving for homework. Okay. Now see third one problem. 15 upon 12. Very easy, student. So again make division sign. 15 divided by downside, that is 12. No need to go ahead. 12 2s are 24. So it's go directly here. 12 1s are 12. 5 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is your Q, this is your R, this is your D. Write this for your information. And write the answer in our form. You may write this form also, student, if you confuse. No issue. You require time for writing, but your concept will be clear, which is very useful for future. So your Q is what? 1. R is what? 3. D is what? 12. So this is your final answer. 1 and 3 upon 12. Hope so you understand, students. Problem number 4 I gave as a homework. Problem number 5. 21 upon 4. See student, 21 upside number in, downside number out. 4. Now I hope you have practice of such division. One I shown. Same way you go, student. 4 5s are 20. It will come automatic after practice. 21 minus 20 is 1. Using such our practical way, student, instead of always carry and borrow. 21 minus 21. So like that way. Write QRD for your practice. And write our answer in the box in the form of QRD. What is our Q? Yes, here 5. What is our R? 1. What is our D? 4. So this is your answer. Understand? And one more example is there, student. 6 number example also. Will you complete as homework? Very easy. So this also you do as a homework. 3 I solve, 3 for you for homework. Number 2 problem, number 4 problem and number 6 problem will be your homework. I hope students you understand this rough work. No problem. If you want to do near to problem in notebooks, you can do, student. If you are confident, you can do directly. If you want to do on rough page this, you can do. But you must solve with your own mind that I want. So your concept should be clear. That is important. I hope you understand from yesterday both the conversion mixed to improper and improper into mix. Today's conversion also, hope so you understand. Solve all the problems in a very proper way of writing. Use your notebook in a clear way. Next video will take word problems. Your today's homework you complete, student, in a very proper way. So next period we will ready for our question number 3, which have 2 word problems, number 1 and number 2. We'll take that one by one. Hope so all are doing work on time. Be safe, dear all. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.